look at the creek. There's a straight on shot.
Bone. Oh, guess that bone. Guess that bone. Loblolly's looking fabulous. These are beautiful little mushrooms. Oh, great. That's probably a better place to be. Alright, give me some instructions. On.
Yep, key. Hold the brake. Yep. There we go. Let's go into high. All the way up. Keep going. There you go.
It's really up there. And tell me the route I should take.
And head up the driveway.
Alright.
We'll just go the long way to the waterfall.
Okay.
There we go.
Just revving because, you know, I thought it sounded pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
You know, I know how to drive this
It's
thing.
the Polaris. It's
yeah. I'm a natural.
Yep. Just showing it off.
Yep. We're off to find
We're live.
a waterfall.
Yep.
Come with us on this adventure. Yeehaw! Woo-wee! Woo-wee! You! Yeah, safety first. Safety first. Alright.
Yep.
Take a right there.
Nobody's crossing.
No.
This way. No.
Right here. Sorry, Polaris.
Block.
Roadblock. We decided to not try that one.
I'm sure the Polaris would have no problem, but
However, we're not taking that gamble.
no, not today.
Time to find that waterfall.
We're gonna find the way down.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. All right, we're running. And here's a look at the creek, a little ways up from the waterfall.
It's so very peaceful. Hello.
Here's another look from a little bit higher up.
Cheers. Very pretty. And Sharon's right, it does have a bluish hue from the limestone. Yeah. And I'm sure this thing gets rushing when there's a lot more rain. Maybe in the spring, but it's really pretty. Lots of rocks. Seeing if there's any treasures in the rocks. Jeez.
Jeez.
Bone! Oh, guess that bone! Guess that bone!
That's a tibia. That's a guess. It is not the answer.
Femur? I don't know. Loblolly's looking fabulous.
That one right there is probably 10 feet tall.
Oh yeah.
Some of these little bucks though, shredding them up.
They're getting shred up.
Some of them.
A baby. These are beautiful little mushrooms. Doing its thing, decomposing the log here, but look how pretty. They look like shells. So pretty. I'm a race demon.
Whoops. Bless you. Oh no. That's all she wrote.